Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day. I'm Conilyn D. Valdez, 46 years old. I'm presently residing at Block 23, Lot 74, Goldenville 1, Dasmariñas, Cavite. I have two children. They are both girls. They are both go to school. My husband is a driver. I'm hardworking, trustworthy, patient, and obedient. And even I'm 46 years old, I can assure and guarantee for my future employer that I can still very strong to do my job as a domestic helper. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. What will you do if your employer asks you not to take day off for a week or even for a month because they have important things to attend? Is it okay for you?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay for me because at the same time, I can save money for not going out for day off and for my future.
Okay. Please tell us about your work experience.
I was a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 3 years, from 1993 to 1996. As a domestic helper, I take care of a newborn baby and 13 years old girl, and I have a popo, my sir's mother. She is 84 years old.
Okay.
And
Continue.
I work also in Malaysia as a domestic helper.
Okay, wait. In Hong Kong, how many person you serve?
I serve as a I serve per the I serve my mom, my sir, the two children, and the grandma.
Okay, the
They are
couple,
5.
the kids, and then the grandma.
They are 5 members of the family.
And then, second?
In Malaysia, I work
Malaysia.
also in Malaysia as a domestic helper for 2 years, 1996, 1998.
Finish contract?
Finished contract.
Okay.
And I take care for the grandma and the 3 children.
Okay. How about naughty little children? Do you have patience taking care of them?
Yes, I have because I love children. Naughty children is natural. Talk to them nicely, explain to them. They don't get a fight for each other, especially if they are brother or sister. I will tell them that they will love each other.
Okay. Can you sing a simple song for the children?
Yes, I can sing. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook.
What kind of food can you cook?
Filipino native food, Chinese food, but simple one, ma'am.
Chinese dishes such as?
Such as steamed fish, tofu, dalitos, noodles, and some simple food.
Okay. Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn this Chinese language more?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very, very willing to learn more Cantonese language because it is easy to communicate if I know their language, especially the elder one.
Okay, but you know a little bit of Cantonese
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
You can
Simple.
understand
Yes, I can understand, but I can't speak it fluently.
Okay. Do you know what this domestic helper means?
Yes, ma'am. Domestic helper means housemaid doing household chore like cleaning, washing, cleaning the house, cooking, watching, attain and take care of the babies, and other needs of my employer.
Okay. Why do you want work in Hong Kong again?
Yeah, because I want to work in Hong Kong again because of my children's future, and the employer in Hong Kong give high salary that match for the needs of my children.
Okay. Would you like to say anything else? Your prospective employer.
For my prospective employer, if you choose me as your domestic helper or a babysitter of your children, I'm hardworking, I'm trustworthy, obedient, and patience, and I'm promise to finish my contract as long as you want me to be your domestic helper. And even I'm 46 years old, I'm still strong to do my job as a domestic helper.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.